This time we are working on this question. Graph the inverse function of g of x equal x squared. X is smaller than 0 or equivalent to 0. To solve this question, you need to know what the inverse function is. Actually, I explained about it in previous video, so if you want to know about it, please check out my previous video first. So let's get started. You need to sketch the graph of g of x. First, I recommend you to sketch the graph of g of x first. G of x equal x squared. And you have to be careful this time. You have the restriction x is smaller than 0 or equivalent to 0. So you sketch only this side. Okay? And now you got this restriction x is smaller than 0 equivalent to 0. And y is bigger than 0 or equivalent to 0. Then let's find the inverse function first. Do you remember how to find inverse function? Actually, I explained about it in previous video, so let's check it out. So first, you will replace g of x with y. Y comes here. Then you switch x and y. X equal y squared. The last thing you have to do is isolate it by y. You have to make it y equal something. Y squared equal x. Y equal plus minus square root of x. Okay? But it's okay, but this time here you switched x value and y value. This means you have to switch the restriction as well. So if you switch here, it's going to be x is greater than 0 and y is smaller than 0. You got it? I switch x value and y value, so I also change the restriction. Like this. And x is greater than 0, but y is smaller than 0. So I take this one, because it says y equals smaller than 0. So what you have to draw is the graph of this. So let me draw it. Gonna be like this. That's the answer. But this case, you can verify your answer again. The reason why is the graph of two functions, and if they are inverse each other, the graph of f and f inverse are symmetric about the line of y equal x. Do you know why this happened? Okay, let me explain about it. Let me give you an example. If you have the function f of x, and if this has 2 points like this, 2, 1, and 4, 2, you have these 2 points. What's the inverse of these 2 points? So what you have to do is switch x value and y value of each point. So here it's 2, so you change the value x value with y value. It's going to be 1, 2 for the inverse function. And the other one has 4, 2 in f of x, so it's going to be 2, 4 in f inverse x. Then if you connect these 2 dots, it totally looks like the reflection of each other about the line y equal x. That's why f of x and f inverse of x are symmetric about the line y equal x. So please make sure when you sketch a graph of inverse function. That's it.